Saturday. It's the last grilling holiday of the summer, but at this point, you're probably tired of grilling the traditional hamburger and hot dog.
Are you?
I am.
Well, we've got way better stuff.
Crank it up a notch.
Yeah.
Bam!
We're taking it to the next level. Longhorn Steakhouse here to help us out with their cookout menu featuring tons of different flavors. Brian Williams is here with us today cooking up some tasty dishes.
Thank you for having me today. And like you say, everybody's tired of cooking them hot dogs and hamburgers on the grill in the backyard.
Let's go outside the box a bit.
Well, Labor Day is the last grilling holiday. Longhorn Steakhouse has created some great flavors, grill flavors that, you know, traditional, what you think of when you think of a cookout in the backyard. Fire, smoke, great flavors. We got one of our backyard grills here with our chicken and shrimp, our fresh, never frozen 18-ounce bone-in outlaw.
I like that.
Fresh, never frozen. Never. Quality only. Quality products. And
is that like a street corn there? Sorry to...
That's our fire grilled corn that we have. It's during the summer. It's a huge fan favorite. It's a great dish with the outlaw ribeye.
Oh yeah.
One we're going to talk about today is our ribs, our baby back ribs. Who doesn't like baby? You like baby back ribs?
I told you that they're my go-to.
With barbecue sauce.
So we'll give you a quick demo of, you know, I have some raw ones here.
Okay.
You're going to take. This is a full rack of ribs that we have. We slow roast ours for 3.5 hours, and then we cook them on our char grill afterwards. So like you got your full rack of ribs here. If you don't like a full rack, you know, it's just, you know, cut them in half.
That's true,
easy.
I guess, huh?
Cool. Yep.
And this is something that, too, I know I would maybe be afraid to grill. Like, these are things that you wouldn't think of, but you're going to show us how easy.
It's all about the prep.
Yeah.
So you're going to take it. So we have one of our 6 proprietary seasonings that we have that was paired up, makes it just taste just right. You're going to liberally coat that.
Now, you can go all out on this almost in a way, huh?
What do you mean by
Is there
all
too
out?
much? Is too much?
So you can't have too much.
That's what I thought.
Because you're going to take this, put it meat side down.
Okay.
You're going to set your oven for 325 degrees. Put a cup of water in there.
Now, does that kind of smoke it in a way?
Well, first we're going to slow roast it.
Okay.
Initially, you're going to take that, you're going to seal it, put it in your oven.
Bam. At
325. Slow roast it 2.5 hours. Okay. After so that way the meat's about ready, just falls off the bone.
Ooh.
It just is like, you know, you don't want to fight with it.
Just how you want it.
So at this point, then you're done in the oven. Now you want to get a crisp to it.
So now your party's ready. You got everybody over. So we set one up over here.
Oh yeah.
You're gonna put it on your grill. You're gonna put it bone side down first. So that's the hardest part to heat. So you want that heat to get in there and just start heating that about 3.5 minutes. Wow. You're good to go. Then you flip, basically with the barbecue sauce that we have, or any barbecue sauce you like. You're gonna flip it over after 3 minutes, get it grilled, put some more barbecue sauce. You can't put enough barbecue sauce in either.
No, never.
If there's too much, it's just gonna fall off. So then after that, you put it back over, and then you have this.
A masterpiece.
So now we
We're gonna try it.
Jordan, dig in. You already cut a rib
Because this is
off
my
there.
favorite.
It's your favorite.
Yeah.
One of mine too.
Just gonna
You can have a bite
do
too.
a little nibble here, just because.
Oh my gosh.
So delicious.
Good.
So
And that fell off the bone.
It does. It falls right off the bone. And for Labor Day weekend, you know, I see there's rain on Monday forecast potentially. You know, we'll do it for you. We'll do it for you.
That's right.
You don't have to watch the dishes that way.
I have a feeling nobody will make it quite like you guys do. Absolutely delicious. Thank you so much.
On there.
Nice flavors.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for having us.
Yeah, of course. We appreciate the tips.